Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Trina, aka the Clumsy Cook, and today we're going to be making some vegan caramel, however you say it. For this caramel sauce, you can use beet sugar in the raw or maple syrup. I'm adding some almond milk to this mixture, but you can also use soy milk. Next, you're going to go ahead and add a squeeze of lemon, and it may seem a little weird to do so, but I promise you it is the best thing that you'll ever do for this recipe because it prevents it from crystallizing and turning into really hard and mucky kind of caramel. You're going to add some coconut cream, and this is all cooking on medium heat, by the way. Once you've added all your ingredients, you're going to turn up the heat to high until it starts bubbling. And at that point, you're going to stir it very rapidly for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to go ahead and turn off the heat completely, keep on stirring for another 5 minutes or so, and then remove it from the heat and let it cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment and let me know what you think.